Hey, welcome back to my channel. ECOTRIC Double DIN Stereo Dash Installation Kit. Description: Installation Dash Kit for double DIN head units for Chevrolet Corvette vehicles, designed and manufactured with precision tolerances, gapless fit between the dash and the kit. Fitment: Chevrolet Corvette C5 1997 to 2004, factory dash color, matte black. Package included: radio trim panel, radio housing brackets, drill template, step-by-step instructions. Heavy duty, super lightweight and strong construction, direct replacement. High-grade ABS plastic construction. Best service? All items will be shipped out in 1 business day. Please feel free to contact us and we will reply in 1 business day. Return for non-buyer reasons, free return label and full refund guarantee. Check out the video description for updated price. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button.